By the way, another thing that I've come to learn from this life is that most of us, we just usually find ourselves doing something or some things even without understanding fully the reason as to why we are doing them. First, we don't know the reason which pushed us to do whatever we do, and at the same time, we really don't understand what we are looking for from whatever we are doing. And again, at the end of the day, we don't even understand what we really expect from what we are doing. So, this is a very complicated situation in our lives. Why? Because if you don't even understand in the first case why you are doing whatever you are doing, then this basically means that it will be very hard for you to even realize that whatever you are doing is not what you are supposed to do, or whatever you are doing is not what is to be done the way you are doing it. In simple terms, whatever you are doing it the wrong way. You cannot be able to tell if that is the case or not. So, it is high time that always we should resolve into trying to understand ourselves better when it comes to whatever actions that we initiate along the way on a daily basis. This is going to be very much important, and this is going to be a key change to how we have usually been perceiving some things in life. Remember, for you to seek for a solution, you must first understand the problem itself. You need to understand first the root cause of the problem before you can be able to look for the appropriate solution, which means it's going to be very impossible for you to get a solution to a problem you're not even aware about. And that's why so many situations remain calling and asking on a daily basis, because they have never been attended to. Even though they have been attended to, they have been attended to inappropriately. Okay? It's the same way like you are being asked one question, but of course you are answering, but you are answering irrelevantly. So at the end of the day, this makes no difference. A question will always be a question as long as it has not been addressed appropriately. So let's pick the simple lesson that once again, it's our duty and it is our responsibility to always make sure that we usually take full responsibility of each and every action that we undertake on a daily basis for whatever reason. Let's know why we have to do whatever we are doing. Let's know the reason which pushed us to do it. Let's understand the consequences of the same before we fully embrace the action itself. I think it's a simple lesson that we need to learn in a very simple way, but we need to improve on the manner in which we usually approach some situations in this life for the best interest of our future. Let's do this, and we'll see the changes afterwards. Cheers and bye.